Good morning, folks. This is David. So I finally installed it. You can see the hitch attachment. I try to not to shake that stuff. Okay, so that's how it looks under. All right. The sad part of it is I'm gonna have to redo it this winter because the paint was affected greatly by the the clear lacquer that I put over it. So this winter I will redo it. Why this winter? Because I'm less busy. Because right now spring is in here and I'm way months behind for cutting my wood. So I have other project too, fixing my septic system with my backhoe. Then everybody's waiting for the video. So this is it. All right. So cheers.